Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to use Copilot with Telegram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your browser. So in this tutorial, you can use any type of browser to have access to Copilot on Telegram. So I'm going to make use of Brave browser right here. I'm going to simply open up my Brave browser right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the search type. Then I'll type in Copilot Telegram. Then I'll click on search. I have to simply scroll down right here and click on the first result right here, which is the official web address of Microsoft Copilot. So I'm going to simply click on that. Then it takes me right here. We can simply scroll down right here. And right here, we have try Copilot on Telegram right here. We simply click on that. Then it connects to our Telegram. What we need to do is to click on start. Then right here, you have here, hi there, I'm Copilot, your AI assistant. Before we can start, will you please share your phone number? By sharing your phone number with Copilot, you are accepting the terms of then. What we need to do here is to simply click on share my phone number. Share your phone number. The both will know your phone number. This can be useful for integration with other services. Simply click on share my contact. It's as simple as that. Now, thank you for your sharing. We can chat now. If you are not exactly sure what to chat with me, try how can I help you, then below for inspiration. So right here, you can simply click on try how can I help you for inspiration. But if you know what you want to ask Copilot AI, let's for instance, I will simply ask Copilot AI that what is biography of Elon Musk. Then I will send. So here we go. In a few seconds, he was able to tell me everything about Elon Musk. You can see from the top right here. So you can read the detail right here. So you can continue and ask your question as much as possible. We can simply ask the particular AI, can you please translate this into another language? So we can say, can you please translate this into, let's say, Chinese language, and send. Let's see. Then in a few seconds, it has been fully translated into into the Chinese language. So you can go on and start using it for free. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply use Copilot chatbot in Telegram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.